Hi, this morning we're looking at the Rhodocrans Vineyard Selection Chardonnay from the 2024 vintage. The vineyard selection really is a combination of vineyards from around the Western Cape. That's why it's normally wine of origin Western Cape. Vineyards coming from Stellenbosch, Paarl mostly. The 2024 was a very good vintage for us. With the vineyard selection, we're always able to source different vineyards to optimize the climatic conditions of the specific vintage. On the nose of this wine, we get some white pear, a little bit of citrus, which is quite unique to Chardonnay. It's also some lime and citrus. The palate shows a very nice live acidity. Also the prominent fruit of citrus and lime prevail on the palate, which will make this wine a very suitable complement to grilled seafood dishes, grilled fish, and also some prawn and shrimp dishes will do quite well with this wine. Yep, I think that is it's generally a palate pleaser. It's a nice everyday drinking wine, but can also complement nice seafood dishes. Cheers.